Let's be real. We all love our cars, right? But sometimes we treat our engines like indestructible superheroes instead of delicate machines that need proper care. We zoom around town, take off at red lights, and push our engines to their limits without realizing the damage we're doing. That's why it's crucial to understand how to take care of your car engine. And in this video, we're going to go over 6 ways to stop destroying your car engine. Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts! We all know how important our engines are to the overall performance of our cars. It's the heart of the vehicle that makes everything possible, and without a healthy engine, we won't be going anywhere fast. Unfortunately, there are some common habits that people have that can harm their engines, and these habits are often overlooked until it's too late. That's why it's crucial to understand what these habits are and how to avoid them, so you can keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. So, in this video from Car Computer Exchange, we're going to cover 6 ways to stop destroying your car engine. From regular maintenance to being gentle with your car, we'll give you some tips to ensure that you're treating your engine with the love and care it deserves. Don't skip oil changes. Let's talk about oil, baby. We know it's not the most exciting topic, but trust us, it's essential. Your car's engine needs oil like we need coffee in the morning. Without it, things start to get heated, literally. Your engine's parts will rub against each other, creating friction, heat, and even permanent damage. That's why it's crucial to stick to a regular oil change schedule. Think of it like a spa day for your engine. A chance to clean out the old oil and replace it with fresh, clean oil. The recommended frequency for oil changes varies depending on your car's make and model. But as a general rule, aim for every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Now, we know what you're thinking, but my car seems fine. I'll just skip this one oil change. Oh, how wrong you are. Skipping oil changes can lead to engine damage, which can result in costly repairs. We're talking about repairs that can easily eat up your savings account and leave you eating ramen for months. So, save yourself the trouble and don't skip those oil changes. Plus, it's a great excuse to take a break and relax while your car gets pampered. You could grab a coffee or a snack while you wait for your car to be serviced. Who knows, you might even make some new friends in the waiting room. In short, don't skimp on oil changes. Your engine will thank you, and so will your wallet. Plus, think of it as a chance for your car to have a spa day. It deserves it after all those miles you've been driving together. Monitor your engine's temperature. Now, a topic that can quickly heat up is checking your engine's temperature. When our car's engines start to get hot, we all start to worry that something is seriously wrong, and that we'll be forced to pull over to the side of the road with smoke coming out of the engine. But seriously, your engine's temperature is no joke. It can indicate potential problems and give you a warning before it's too late. So, it's essential to keep an eye on it and address any issues as soon as possible. Think of it as your engine's way of saying, "Hey buddy, something's not quite right here." Now, we know what you're thinking. How do I monitor my engine's temperature? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. There are a few ways to check your engine temperature, such as dashboard indicators or adding a temperature gauge. So, make sure to keep an eye out for any warning signs and address them promptly. Trust us, you'll save yourself a lot of headaches and sweat in the long run. Remember, driving with an overheated engine can lead to severe engine damage, which means costly repairs and a lot of frustration. So be sure to monitor your engine's temperature and take care of any issues before they become bigger problems. Avoid revving your engine. Revving your engine. The classic sign of a wannabe race car driver. We've all been there, waiting at a stoplight, revving our engines like we're about to take off into space. But did you know that revving your engine can actually cause unnecessary strain on your car's engine? That's right, all that unnecessary revving can lead to engine damage and costly repairs down the road. So, what can you do to avoid this? Well, first off, Resist the urge to rev your engine at stoplights or when you're parked. It might make you feel cool for a moment, but it's not worth the damage you could be causing to your engine. Instead, try allowing your engine to warm up before driving. This will help your engine get up to the optimal temperature before hitting the road, reducing the strain on your engine. And if you're getting ready to turn off your car, resist the temptation to give your engine one last rev. It might seem like a good way to show off your ride, but it's just putting unnecessary strain on your engine. Simply turn off the car without revving the engine to avoid causing any damage. In short, revving your engine might seem like a harmless way to show off your car, but it can lead to engine damage and costly repairs. So be gentle with your engine. Allow it to warm up before driving, and resist the urge to give it that last rev before turning it off. When was the last time you had your oil changed? If you can't remember, don't worry, you're not alone. But neglecting oil changes can be detrimental to your car's engine, so make sure to stick to a regular schedule. We'll go into more detail on this and other ways to keep your engine healthy, so keep watching. Use high-quality fuel. Let's talk about something that can really make your engine hot under the hood: using low-quality fuel. We've all been tempted to go for the cheaper gas option. But did you know that using low-quality or contaminated fuel can seriously damage your engine? It's like feeding your car junk food instead of healthy, nutritious fuel. Think about it. Your engine needs clean, high-quality fuel to function at its best. Using low-quality fuel can lead to engine knock, reduced fuel efficiency, and even long-term engine damage. So, the next time you're tempted to skimp on gas, remember that you might be doing more harm than good. But how can you tell if you're using high-quality fuel? Well, one way is to purchase gas from reputable gas stations or use top-tier fuel. These options are typically more expensive, but they have higher levels of detergents and additives that help keep your engine clean and running smoothly. Keep up with regular maintenance. Regular maintenance. The car equivalent of going to the dentist. We all know we should do it, but it's so easy to put off. But just like flossing, regular maintenance is crucial for the health of your car's engine. Skipping regular maintenance is like ignoring your own health checkups. Sure, you might feel fine now, but down the road, you'll regret not taking care of yourself or your car when you had a chance. But fear not, my fellow car enthusiasts, because keeping up with regular maintenance doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be an opportunity to show your car some love and give it the TLC it deserves. So make sure to stick to your car's recommended maintenance schedule. This includes things like oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug replacements. Trust me, your engine will thank you for it. Regular tune-ups will help keep your engine running smoothly and catch any potential issues before they become bigger problems. And who doesn't love catching something before it becomes a disaster? It's like finding a $20 bill on the ground, except instead of money, it's peace of mind. So, don't be like me and put off your maintenance until the last minute. Show your car some love and keep up with regular maintenance. Be gentle with your car. Alright folks, it's time for some real talk. We get it, driving is fun. There's nothing quite like the rush of hitting the gas and feeling the wind in your hair. But let's not forget that our cars are delicate machines, not indestructible superheroes. So, if you want your engine to stay healthy and happy, it's time to start being gentle with your car. Now, we're not saying you can't have any fun on the road. We're just suggesting that you try to drive more smoothly. It's all about taking it easy and treating your car with care. So, instead of flooring it at every green light, try easing into the acceleration. And when it's time to stop, brake gradually instead of slamming on the brakes at the last minute. This kind of gentle driving not only protects your engine, but it also saves you some gas money in the long run. And while we're at it, let's talk about aggressive cornering. Sure, it's fun to take a sharp turn and feel the G-forces at work, but this kind of driving can seriously damage your engine. When you take a turn too aggressively, it puts a strain on your engine, and over time, this can lead to costly repairs. So the next time you're tempted to take that corner at full speed, remember that being gentle with your car is the key to keeping your engine healthy. In conclusion, folks, remember to be gentle with your car. Treat it like the delicate machine it is, and it will reward you with years of happy driving. So, go ahead and hit the road. Just remember to take it easy, accelerate and brake smoothly, and avoid aggressive cornering. Your engine and your wallet will thank you for it. Well, that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed these 6 tips on how to stop destroying your car's engine. Remember, taking care of your engine doesn't have to be a chore. With a little bit of love and attention, you can keep your ride running smoothly for years to come. So, make sure to implement these tips into your car maintenance routine to avoid costly repairs down the road. Because, let's be real, no one wants to spend their hard-earned money on car repairs when they could be spending it on, well, anything else. And as always, we love hearing from our viewers. If you have any comments or questions about these tips or car engine maintenance in general, drop them in the comments below. We'll do our best to answer them and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching Car Computer Exchange, and happy driving!